Alright, everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Harry. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to like operate an type of storage class in Java. So, as you know, storage operation is like one of the criteria, very substantial in the APCSA create text. Oh no, sorry, it's APCSP create text projects. So if you can, if you know how to operate your ArrayList, your storage class as well, you may really get a high score in your APCSP create text project. So let's not get longer and let's dive into the video. So this video, I'm gonna teach you the most flexible storage classes that can think of. So it's an ArrayList. So what is an ArrayList? So ArrayList is like a combination between the array in some high processing language like C++ or C or maybe Java, and list is it works like list in Python. And the thing about array I don't really like about it is that it it needs to be restricted in sizes. So if you if you call an array, you need to give it a given size, and it's not really comfortable for you. But in ArrayList, you don't really need a length for that. So what between the double comparator here is the type of the type of the data type, the data that you want to store. So I'm gonna assign it with integer. This is one to say with integer, right? And this you're gonna name it some kind of num list and a new array list and semicolon. So this is the full working structure of the num list. How to how to create an array list. So as you can see, I didn't really assign any kind of size of the list is like limited in sizes, and you can add whatever you want in this, but it needs to obey to the data type here. It needs to be an integer. So how can I add a number in an array list? So we can't really, so for the array, for example, for array, we can use the square brackets like this to assign some kind of number in like that. But ArrayList doesn't really work like that. So you really need to use its coded function in the package that Java has given us right here. So we're gonna call it. We have multi add, and we add like number 10 right in. So okay, so let me see what's wrong with the code. Okay, so just found out that I forgot to declare the main uh, the, the main function to run the code. So start it void main. That works. So I'm another one. And so this is like all of the methods that you can apply in the ArrayList, and maybe call, add, with the given data type right here. So there are a lot of them, so make sure you really want to go up to the Java main page to see the documentation, to literally learn the methods and how it works and how to apply it in your code to run it as the utmost sufficient as possible. So now we're gonna add another maybe 100. Okay. So now I have added uh, two numbers in this num list. So we really want to see what is inside the num list. So so for normal things, we really want to call it in a loop, right? Uh, oh, and one more thing, the ArrayList is kind of different than the array. So in array, you say the size, you want to get the size of the array, you will use the method docLength, right? So in this ArrayList, we don't use that. We are going to apply the method docSize right here, and just finish the loop. Okay, and I'm gonna print it out. Print. Okay, print in be in horizontal order. Okay, so normally if we use array, we are gonna use the square bracket like this and apply the index in, right? But this is a completely wrong way to do with ArrayList, and you will need to apply get the get method of the ArrayList in to get the value in that ArrayList, and I'm gonna add some spaces. Alright, so this is how an ArrayList works. So we're gonna run to see if it actually stores data and print it out first. So yeah, you can see number 10, number 100 as we added it before. Okay, that's normal. I'm gonna delete it again. So now you think the array list is really cool, yeah, really good to use because it's not restricted in sizes. What I can tell you more is we can apply the array in the array list, so we can create an unrestricted two-dimensional array. I'm gonna write down unrestricted two-dimensional array. So we're gonna calling our list with the given size. But now the given size is not integer anymore, but an array. So this is an integer array, the array that stores integer value. So I'm gonna name is the two numlist maybe numlist 2. Okay, equals with new ArrayList and the same data type. And now because we declare integer here, and an array usually doesn't really restrict to int sizes, so really need to add 5, maybe 2. This 2 here is how we can restrict the array sizes. Like I restrict the array integer here to store only 2 values per array, and we have created an restricted 2-dimensional array, and now I'm gonna add some value in. So for the integer e, we really need to apply the array in the parameter of the method. So I'm gonna call the array, and we gonna name the class in first. Array Java arrays dot list, and we're gonna like two numbers in. I'm gonna check if what's wrong to integer. Alright, okay, so I think there may be something wrong, so I'm gonna apply a bit long away. So we're gonna declare an array of integer in new code with the given to for me. We're gonna add in it, and I'm gonna create a new one, right? Like a new array right here. So print it out. This A2 given 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna still add 2 and 2. Okay. So now we're gonna print out the array list on the numbers 2, which holds in it two arrays right here, A and A2. So still called the loop right here, dot size 35 plus, and with the print it out. So it's the thing, we don't really we know that we cannot print a whole array in the system.out.print line or print a method in Java because it's illegal to do so. So we are gonna apply one more loop to run through the index of the array list, meaning it will run through the array inside the array list. So we're gonna call another variable list dot list 2 dot get y dot length. So this is the length I mentioned you before, the length of the array. So the array is 2, as you know. So we're gonna print out system.out.print let me see, the numlist 2 dot get y of the index j with space, and we're gonna line. Okay, so now run the test if it works, because if we do this it may get error, but usually I don't think so. Okay, so it really runs like what we have done right here, and you can save it to your main code and apply it in your APCSP create text project. So the last type of array list that I really want to introduce to you is how to store um, multi type of data in the array list. So I still declared array list like this, but now I'm gonna declare the object, the array of the object, and name it as multi name is that multi maybe multi values, maybe like that, and array list and object. I'm gonna restrict it to only 3 data, 3 values in per array only. So now we have an array list. So I really want to create an object array. So I'm gonna name it object 1 with O1 equals let me see. I'm gonna add 1 one, maybe the price is like $30 with 25 cents, 1 cent. So okay. And we're gonna add 3 more checks like this. 2, 2, 3. I'm gonna change it to 3. So wait a second, I changed the so as you can see, I've changed the data of the 3 object arrays that I've created right here with very different variables of data, anything you can think of. So now we have 1, 2, 3 right here. Those are integers, and book 1, 2, 3 right here are string data value. Okay, and those 2 numbers is the price of the book, right? So it's a float type number, and 23 is an integer number like those 1, 2, 3 right here. So this is the ID of the book. Yeah, the ID of the book. So now I'm gonna wait, add O1 to it, and 2, 3 right here. Now I'm gonna print those out and see if it returns error or maybe not without casting. You know casting, right? So if you don't really know what this casting means, you can search on Google about what is the technique of casting in Java. It's really simple. You just need 5 to 10 minutes of researching, and you'll understand. So I'm gonna still call it of y equals smaller than the side of the ArrayList right here. So I plus, and second one to call each value from the array that I assign in that ArrayList. So for int j equals 0, j smaller than multi values dot get y with the square brackets to get the value in the index of j and j plus plus. Alright, so what's wrong right here? What is identified int object? Okay, so I'm gonna check it right again. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about the length of it. Get y dot length. So this is the length of the array right here, not the j right here. I'm a little bit confused. Okay, then I'm gonna print out a dot print with each value shown in the object array here. So multi values dot get y with the index of j to get a value out, plus with the space dot and system print line to get underline. Oh no, not to get the downline. Okay, so we are going to run to see if it works. I don't know. Yeah, if it works, you can see it prints out all the thing. It adds all of the thing. It accepts one, it accepts string, it accepts float, or maybe double if you like, and many other the data type like long, short in, long float, boolean, many, and you can restrict it to sizes to ensure the capacity of the array, the yeah, and things like that. So I think this is the end of the video, and I hope throughout this video I helped all of you guys thoroughly confused how can we operate the storage classes in Java, and maybe yeah, and to achieve one of the most important criteria in the APCSP create text project. So I've done this before, and I think this is one of the most interesting part during the process. So once more, I hope you have a great day, and maybe uh, create a new project that vaccinating the AP examinees, and good luck.